Look, if people aren't clicking your videos, it's not your content, it's your thumbnail. And the truth is, most creators have no clue how to fix it. That's why I built this free tool. It gives you dead simple thumbnail prompts that stop the scroll and get you more views fast. Let me show you how it works. Welcome to my new tool. It's called the YouTube Thumbnail AI Prompt Generator. I'm going to show you how to use it in this video. There's only a free few simple steps, so bear with me. You're going to want to check this out for yourself if you do any video marketing whatsoever. This is going to be very useful for you, and it's going to save you a lot of time and energy with your making videos with your business, and ultimately get you more clicks. So let me read you the intro for this specific tool. I'm going to go through these 4 prompts right here. Real simple. It's going to take you seconds. What you're going to do when it generates the prompt, you're going to copy them, and then you're going to go over to your favorite. I have even got the AI tools that are going to create your video thumbnails for you. You got choice of DALL, Leonardo, Midjourney, Ideogram AI, Playground AI, Adobe Firefly, Canva, Manus AI, DeepSeek, and ChatGPT. So all you got to do once you create your prompt, copy them, and then you don't got to type these in. You just go click one of these buttons here. It'll take you right over to whatever your favorite AI video generation tool is, or thumbnail image generation tool, I should say. So let's get to the top here. If you want more clicks, it all starts with the right thumbnail prompt. Use the free YouTube Thumbnail AI Prompt Generator below to create click-worthy prompts for DALL-E, Midjourney, Leonardo in seconds. Stop wasting time with weak YouTube thumbnails. Plug in your video details, and we're going to spit out battle-tested AI prompts designed to generate emotional, scroll-stopping, ultra-clickable thumbnails for your YouTube channel or whatever other video marketing platform you want to use. 100% free tool, tailored for YouTube creators and shorts. Get 2 viral-style prompts per submission. Works with DALL-E, Midjourney, Leonardo, and more. Built by marketers, optimized for click-through rates. So let's get you into this tool. Let's check this out. And I also got 20 more free tools. Link's going to be directly below. We're going to get this tool right here, and you're going to get all 20 of them. We'll go through that at the end of this video. But let's dive into this real quick. The first box, you're going to pick video topic, title, or keywords. I'm just going to put how to make money with AI tools in 2025. Emotion to evoke. This is the second input here. You got a lot of different options, which is cool. You got curiosity, shock, anger, fear, excitement, inspiration, joy, empowerment, urgency, trust, frustration, skepticism, sadness, nostalgia, surprise. And you got greed, hope, confidence, intrigue, FOMO. We're going to go with, we'll do excitement for this one. Primary hook or value angle. And it's already generated it. And when you're using this tool, it's going to generate the prompts beforehand, but it'll redo your prompt as you fill out these boxes. You can see it just changed. So don't worry about that. Secret reveals, this is, what do you want? A before and after, a shocking result, mistake made, quick fix, testimonial, countdown, case study, transformation, what if, big numbers, warning, myth busting, free gift, trending topic. So you got a lot of different options to pick from. We're going to do shocking result. YouTube channel niche. And this can work for anything, obviously. It doesn't have to be YouTube. AI, tech, business, finance, fitness, health, beauty, gaming. You got a bunch of different niches, ton of them. You even got AI tools, true crime, parenting, mom life, reactions, commentary, sports, comedy, skits. And if your niche isn't on here, which it pretty much covers all the main niches, just put other, and you can put some extra information in the top box right here. We're gonna we'll pick marketing for this one. We're gonna wait for it to regenerate. You can see how fast it is. It's already generated, and it's gonna switch up in a second. Still working. There we go, right there. So now we're all set. Here are 2 scroll-stopping, emotionally charged thumbnail prompts designed to captivate viewers and drive engagement for your video titled How to Make Money with AI Tools in 2025. Prompt 1, scene description, a dynamic split-screen image showcasing a person on one side looking overwhelmed by traditional work methods, papers, a calculator, stressed expression, while on the other side, the same person is ecstatic, surrounded by futuristic AI tools. holographic displays, virtual assistants, dollar signs floating around. The contrast highlights a dramatic shift from struggle to success. Emotion, caption, text overlay, from stress to success. Artistic style. Cinematic with high contrast lighting, emphasizing the dramatic transformation. Use vibrant colors for the AI side and muted tones for the traditional side to enhance emotional impact. Composition advice. Position the stressed figure on the left and the ecstatic figure on the right, creating a visual journey. Place the caption at the top in bold, with an eye-catching font to ensure it stands out against the colorful background. Use a slight blur effect on the background elements to keep the focus on the figures. How good are these prompts? That's the first one, and this is the second one. You can kind of read on the screen here. These prompts are designed to maximize emotional resonance and visual appeal, ensuring they stand out in the crowded YouTube feed and drive clicks. So what we're going to do here is we're going to copy these prompts. We're going to go into ChatGPT, and we're going to see what it comes up with. Okay, we're going to go back up here. I'm going to show you one of the ones I did. This was the first prompt that when I used the tool for. Like how good that image came out. And that was from this free tool. We're going to do 2 more here. We're going to paste them here. And we're going to see what it comes up with. See how this image turns out. And then we're going to go on to the second one. Then I'm going to end this video, and you can check this out for yourself. Like I said, the link's going to be directly below the YouTube, in the YouTube video description, along with my 20 free tools. I got an AI. I'll show you that at the end again. There's a bunch of cool tools that you're going to want to check out. Okay, we're going to wait here. These take a minute. If you ever used ChatGPT, they take a minute. They're a lot better than they used to be, the images, but they take a little bit longer to put together. That's not a big deal. So we're going to wait and see how this image looks. And then we're going to do the second one. And then we're going to end this video. You wait from stress to success. As you can see, what I was putting into the tool. And it comes up with a pretty in-depth prompt. I mean, pretty in-depth image. You can see the 2 different. That's stress, obviously, and that's the success part. So it's pretty good. We're going to do prompt number 2 to see which one we like better. And you can always run these twice if you don't like what you see. You're going to get pretty good results, but not everything's going to be perfect the way you want it. So you can run it. It's a pretty good. It depends on what kind of look you're actually going for. That's what that tool is for. So if there's something that, if you want a more cinematic, even a more, maybe a movie type look, you could tell the tool to do that and it'll do it for you. We're going to try the second one again and see what this comes up with. While this is working, let's make sure this is working. Okay. We're going to go back over to, this is my AI toolkit vault that I've been talking about. You got a story-based email generator, subject line analyzer, email return on investment calculator, AI hook generator, video script generator, ChatGPT prompt generator, sales script generator. You got all kinds of tools. You got a ClickBank niche finder, which is an excellent tool. This one's awesome. It's called an affiliate program finder. You can find any affiliate program, recurring, high ticket, in literally seconds. And there's a bunch more. But the link for this, you want to check this out, is going to be directly below this video. Let's get back over here and see if our image is created. And see what it came up with. As you can see, it's creating the image. And that's that, though. Let's just go back to the tool. And right here. Okay, so if you wanted something different, you can always be more specific in the video topic, title, or keywords in here. And it gives you an example, how I made 1,000 with AI tools or best supplements for women over 40. This helps the AI create hyper-relevant thumbnail ideas. So just say that right here. And like a certain way that you might want to make the video, the thumbnail. You can add a little extra of what you want that thumbnail to actually do. But that's it. This is an awesome tool. I made it for myself. This is a pain point I had when I'm creating YouTube videos, like to get I don't want to sit there for an hour to get the perfect thumbnail. And this is going to help speed up the process considerably, because all you're doing is, like I said, filling out 4 boxes, copying these prompts. And I even got all these different tools laid out for you. You just got to click them. You'll go over to whatever you use, paste them in there, and it's going to create these thumbnails for you in literally seconds, saving you a lot of time and increasing your conversions, because they're all going to have great captions on them. And I also put into this prompt, it's got to be under 2 megabytes, so they should be good to go with YouTube most of the time. You know how DALL-E works sometimes, but most of the times it should be good to go. So that's that. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is an excellent tool. Like I said, come on check it out. It's called the YouTube Thumbnail AI Prompt Generator, available at instantsalesfunnels.com. Come on over and check it out. Use it for yourself. Let me know what you think in the video comments directly below. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.